Welcome to this week's weekly business update. We are so glad you're here with us and have a lot of exciting updates to share. Today is Labor Day, and we want to take a moment to honor the incredible contributions of workers everywhere, both here in the United States and in Canada. This day is a reminder that progress is built on the dedication, perseverance, and commitment of people who show up every single day. We celebrate you and the work you do, not only in your communities, but also here in doTERRA. Thank you. Now, convention. If you haven't secured your ticket yet, now is the time. We can't wait to see you there. There is truly nothing like gathering in person. On our last leadership call, Seth said it best. Sleep on the floor if you need to, just don't miss it. That's how powerful it is to experience convention together. And if coming in person isn't possible, don't worry, you can still join us online. Why not create a watch party with your team? We love seeing Marie Kim's creative ideas for bringing people together virtually. And just a quick reminder, if you want the convention kit, you must have a convention ticket, whether in person or virtual. So get your ticket today. All right, let's talk about September promotions. You're gonna love these. In the US, 10% off On Guard soft gels, and the product of the month is On Guard 5 ml. In Canada, 10% off On Guard foaming hand wash concentrate, and the product of the month is the same, 5 ml On Guard. It's the perfect time to stock up and share these immune support favorites with others. All right, now when we talk about a couple of the things that are most important and critical to building your business, I think about Masters Club and Diamond Club and staying focused in a short amount of time to really move your business forward. So joining us today is the leadership programs team to talk more about what they're focused on moving forward.
Leaders!
It's here!
It's the start of Diamond Club and Masters Club.
And we could not be more excited to kick off this season with you.
This truly is one of the most inspiring times of the year,
when we get to watch leaders rise up,
Step into their greatness,
and create ripple effects of connections and growth.
The energy is electric and the stories are powerful.
And the impact that comes out of these programs is nothing short of incredible.
We know the months ahead are going to be full of breakthroughs, wins big and small, and moments that remind us why we do this work.
And we're here, cheering you on every single step of the way.
So let's do this.
Let's make this Diamond Club
and Masters Club
a season to remember.
We'll see you there.
Thank you, Melanie, and thank you to the leadership programs team for keeping us inspired and informed. As we wrap up today, remember this: convention is our time to come together, recharge, and realign with purpose. So come and join us in person or virtually. Don't miss the opportunity to connect with your community and feel the energy of doTERRA's mission. That's it for this week's business update. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Labor Day.